We'll continue with our study of JAMB past questions, use of English. I've told you that our target in this coming JAMB is for everybody following this channel to score at least 300 in your JAMB. This one is not going to be last year when many JAMB candidates failed. All of you following this channel, you will score. In fact, you must score at least 300. So I want you to pay attention to this video. This is part 3. We have done other videos on use of English past questions, so just pay attention and follow me. Remember too that if you watch this video from now and watch it to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables on use of English. If you also watch it to the end, watch everything in this video, I'm also going to give you syllables and past questions on the other 4 subjects. On the other 3 subjects you'll be writing in your JAMB. So let us dive in now and look at all the questions we can answer from this particular one. This is very, very important. Of course, you know that use of English is not the one you can dodge, right? So we'll start from question number 16. We cannot start from question number 1 because question number 1 is about is based on the book Life Changer, and you know Life Changer is no longer the novel. So in our channel we have done a lot of videos on Lucky Headmaster, which is the novel for you. If you want me to give you the link to all the chapter by chapter review and reading we have done on Lucky Headmaster, you let me know. If you also want me to give you the link to the videos we have done on Expo Questions on Lucky Headmaster, you can also let me know. Okay, so let's start from question number 16. Choose the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. This is very important because most times JAMB will repeat their questions, even if they don't repeat it exactly this way, but they also have a way of repeating the question. It's always the same concept moving around, so just pay attention. Number 16. The principal bent over backwards to admit the students into the school. The principal bent over backwards to admit the students into the school. This means the principal A tried very hard to admit the student. B allowed some concession in admitting the student. C broke the school rules to admit the students into the school. D admitted the student through the back door. The answer is admitted the students through the back door. The students had hardly come in when the bell rang. The student had hardly come in when the bell rang. This means that just after the students came in, the bell rang. D. The students found it difficult to come in and then the bell rang. C. The bell rang, the students were still coming. D. None of the option. The answer is just as the student came in, the bell rang. Just as the student came in, the bell rang. Are you with me? Are you with me? Remember that if you watch this video from now to the end, I'll give you past questions on your 4 subjects and give you syllables, right? If you also watch this video, I will send you the link. You need to watch the other video. This is part 3 you are watching. We have done several other videos on use of English, right? So if you want me to send you those other videos we have done on use of English, you should also indicate. There is no time. You need to take JAMB seriously and start now to prepare. All our plans fell through at the last moment. All our plans fell through at the last moment. This means that A, all our plans were successful. B, were abandoned. C, failed. D, were exposed. The answer is failed. All our plans fell through means that all our plans failed at the last moment. Okay? Choose the option that best explains the information conveyed. Number 19. After the prison experience, A team decided to go straight. After the prison experience, A team decided to go straight. This means that he decided to dash. A, hold his head up and walk with confidence. Defiance. B, change his religion. C. Live an honest life. D. Stop using drugs. The answer is C. Live an honest life. After his praising experience, A-team decided to go straight. Go straight means that he decided to live an honest life. They did not know what to expect and so decided to play it ear by ear. They did not know what to expect and so decided to play it ear by ear. What does this statement mean? A. Listen attentively to everyone. B. Act according to circumstances. C. Pretend to be deaf. D. Be played with them. The answer is act according to circumstances. Okay, question 21 to 36. Best complete. That choose the option that best complete the sentence. Don't believe all dash he has told you. Don't believe all dash he had told you. A. What he had told you. B. Which he has told you. C. All that he had told you. D. All there he had told you. The answer is all that he has told you. Are you following? Let me know if you are following. Okay. 22. He succeeded dash the odds he faced. He succeeded dash the odds he faced. He succeeded dash the odds he faced. A. After the odds he faced. B. Despite the odds he faced. C. Even on the odds he faced. D. In addition to the odds he faced. The answer is despite the odds he faced. Are you learning? Are you learning? The more you watch these videos, the more you are ready for JAMB. The more you watch these videos, the greater your chances of passing. I'm focusing very much on use of English. Of course, we have done other videos on JAMB economics, JAMB government, JAMB mathematics, and all the rest. If you want me to send you those ones, also let me know. Number 23. If I had known that he was going, dash him the book. If I had known that he was going, dash him the book. I should have given him the book. B. I have given him the book. C. I will have given him the book. D. I would have given him the book. The answer is I would have given him the book. During the surgery, the doctor realized that the patient's leg dash. During the surgery, the doctor realized that the patient's legs dash. A. Had been decayed. B. Have long decayed. C. Had long decayed. D. None of the above. The answer is C. Had long decayed during the surgery. Are you with me? 25. Guests enjoyed themselves at Joyce's birthday party. Dash guests enjoyed themselves at Joyce's birthday party. A. All of the guests. B. All the guests. C. Every of the guests. D. The whole guest. The answer is B. All the guests. Are you not seeing why it is very easy to fail JAMB? Because, especially English objective, because you might be answering the wrong things and be thinking you are correct. Do you understand? That is why you need to practice as many JAMB past questions as possible. That is why I am giving you this JAMB past question free of charge, so that you will not have any excuse. That is why I am giving you the syllabus free, so that you will know exactly what you are going to face. I don't want anybody to give me any excuse. This JAMB, I am wanting all our candidates to make at least 300. If you claim it, come under the comment section and tell me I claim it. I want you to make at least 300 in this JAMB, and I am seriously preparing you. That's why I create videos for you every day. Okay, number 26. For the management, your remarks amount to a slap dash the face. For the management, your remarks amount to a slap dash the face, on the face, upon the face, at the face, in the face. It's a slap in the face. 27. The chairman told members he was open dash suggestions. The chairman told members he was open dash suggestion. A, on suggestion. B, about suggestion. C, open to suggestion. The answer is actually open to suggestions. The portion is to be shared between dash us and them. B, we and them. C, us and they. D, we and they. The answer is us and them. Us and them. 29. If found guilty, he will dash all the wealth he amassed illegally. If found guilty, he will dash all the wealth he amassed illegally. A, he will forego. B, he will abandon. C, he will repay. D, he will forfeit. What is the answer? The answer is he will forfeit all the wealth he amassed illegally. Are you still following? Are you still following? Do you even want me to send you the videos we have done on use of English past question part 1 and 2? If you want me to send it to you, let me know now. Okay, 30. To dash Nigerians, corruption in high places is not strange. To dash Nigerians, corruption in high places is not strange. A, to we Nigerians. B, to us Nigerians. C, to ours Nigerians. D, to ourselves Nigerians. The answer is to us. To us Nigerians. Not we, to us. Number 31. The man as well as his sons dash in the band. The man as well as his sons dash in the band. A, plays in the band. B, play in the band. C, are playing in the band. D, played in the band. The answer is actually plays in the band. The man as well as his sons plays in the band. Now I want to give you an assignment which I want you to answer. Assuming this question is the man and his son dash in the band, what will it be? The man and his son dash in the band, what will it be? Answer me. Okay. Number 32. Dash escalating food prices. Government seem to have no solution. Dash escalating food prices. Government seems to have no solution. A, as regards escalating food prices. B, with regards escalating food prices. C, as regards escalating food prices. D, the regard to escalate. The answer is as regards escalating food prices. I hope you are still with me. Are you still following? If you are still following, let me know. If you want me to send you past questions and syllables, remember to watch this video from beginning to the end so that I will tell you how you can get them from me free. The poor dash our attention and kindness. The poor dash our attention and kindness. A, deserves. B, does deserve. C, do deserve. D, deserve. The answer is D, deserve our attention and kindness. 34. The conference turned out to be an enlightening dash experience. The conference turned out to be an enlightening dash experience. A, 5 days experience. B, 5-day experience. C, 5 days experience. D, 5 days experience. The answer is 5-day experience. D, 5-day experience. 35. My dash to you students is to be good. My dash to you students is to be good. A, advice, but this one is the advice that has X. B, advice. This one is the advice that has C. C, adverse. D, advance. The answer is advice. That is A-D-V-I-C-E. This one is a noun. Advice, A-D-V-I-S-E, is a verb, right? People are proud of Mr. Niyi because he is dash. People are proud of Mr. Niyi because he is dash. A, an army. B, a soldier. D, an army man. D, military. People are People are afraid of Mr. Niyi because he is a soldier. A soldier. It is a soldier. That is correct. Okay, in the next video we will continue from question 31, synonyms, and then we will continue doing antonyms. So ensure you watch part 4. Now that you are here, what you need to do to get free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question is like this video. Number 1. 2, share this video. Copy the link, just click on share, copy the link, share on YouTube, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook, share on all those platforms, all the JAMB group that will belong to, share this video to them. Then 3, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on subscribe. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. When you subscribe, type under this video I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send you all the materials you need. Remember, this is part 3. We have part 1, we have part 2. There are other parts in use of English. We have also done other videos on Lekki Headmaster and other subjects. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch.